morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Sunshine State Rails. After me finally taking the time to put this video together, it is the morning of August 4th, 2019, and we have set up our cameras at the Diamond Interlocking in Crawford, Florida, where the CSX Callahan subdivision crosses the Norfolk Southern's Valdosta district at grade. First train to come this morning would be CSX train Q45304. Daily southbound mixed freight traffic out of Rice Yard in Waycross, Georgia to CSX's Hialeah Yard in Miami, Florida. Once the end of 453 got over the interlocking, it would clear the way for two Norfolk Southern trains coming in and out of Jacksonville. Also, once 453 cleared, it cleared the view for, if you look closely, NS train 330. Daily mixed freight traffic coming out of NS's Simpson Yard at Jacksonville, heading for Macon, Georgia. Technically, 330 was the first train to get here, but they stuck him in the siding for this Q453 coming across the Diamond, and a higher priority Norfolk Southern train headed for Jacksonville.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 242.0, no defects.
That would be a Norfolk Southern defect detector going off about a few miles away from us, letting us know that there was a Norfolk Southern train on the way. That train in question would be NS Train 209, daily hotshot intermodal out of Atlanta, Georgia, headed for Simpson Yard in Jacksonville to be handed off to the Florida East Coast Railway at their Bowden Yard. Now it was finally NS 330's turn. Powering out of the siding here to head north toward Macon, he had one of Norfolk Southern's newly rebuilt AC-44 C6Ms and two SD-60Es behind it. and with 3:30 clearing the interlocking here, it would end the train action in Crawford, Florida, at least for now, as NS only runs here in the early mornings and late afternoons. So thanks for rail fanning with me this morning, and in Crawford, Florida, this is Kotabeaner, and I'll see you next time on the Sunshine State Rails.